Hi guys, welcome back to Just Sophia. So guys, today we are talking about side hustles for college students. So as a college student, you don't need to complete your course or to have any skills to start earning money. In this day of the internet, you can start earning money even before graduating. But now the best side hustle for you is one that first and foremost, it doesn't need any skills. Like you don't need to start learning it. And then secondly, you don't it doesn't need to take too much of your time, because remember, you still have your time is still limited because you have college to attend and you have exams to pass. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. Sorry. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel by clicking the red button. My name is Judith. I do how to make money online, videos, personal finance, side hustles, personal development, and anything that will help you financially or individually. So thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So let us start on the first side hustle that you can start. As number one side hustle is take online surveys. So I know online surveys will not make you rich, but they will put some money into your pockets. And especially being a student, this extra money will help you settle part of your living expenses. So now online side hustles, why it is the best high side hustle for college students is that you don't need any prior experience. And then you don't even need to start signing up. You simply need to download certain apps, start filling in the surveys and earn. Okay. Some of the apps that you need include Survey Junkie, swagbucks.com, and inboxdollars.com. So simply visit those, download those apps, complete a profile, and start filling in the surveys. That is number one. Number two, you can do pet sitting and dog walking. So if you're a pet lover, this is a side hustle for you. I know there are people who naturally love pets. So if you are that person, you can advertise your services in your around your campus area or your home during the holidays, and then reach as many pet owners as possible. Of course, compare the rates. You can always search on the internet and compare the rates in your neighborhood, and make sure that you are getting the best deal possible. So now you can also advertise your services online, on social media, or you can use third-party services like rover.com to advertise your services. So that's all about becoming a pet sitter and a dog. Number three, you can become a food or grocery delivery person. If you have access to a car or any other form of transportation, then this is a good side hustle for you. So now you can sign up for food delivery services such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, Shipt.com, Instacart. These are apps, by the way. These are apps. So you can sign up on these apps and then start your food delivery or grocery delivery service business. So remember, this is with this particular service. This is a service. Yeah, this is a service. So which means the better your customer service, the more clients you will make, the more clients you will get, and then the more money you will make. So make sure you are treating your clients very well. Make sure you are delivering on time and as per the client specification. So that is number three. Number four, you can start blogging or vlogging. So now this will depend. The two of them are good side hustles for college students because they will not take up much of your time. And then you can always schedule yourself and know when you're going to write your blog post or content or website content, or when you're going to make your YouTube videos. So now, if you love writing and you have something to share with the world, for example, in a particular niche, for example, if you love fashion and you want to share with us, If you love cooking and you want to share with us, if you love nature, just anything that you are interested in, then you can start a blog. If you are someone who loves talking, then vlogging is for you. So whichever rocks your boat, it is still a good side hustle. So like I said, the two of them are good side hustles because you can choose the hours that you want to work. The downside, I don't want to call it downside, just that these two need a lot of patience, because you'll have to grow them to a particular audience, like to, if it is YouTube, to a number of subscribers before you can start earning from it. Or if it is a blog, then you have to grow it to a number of visitors in a month for you to sign up with either affiliate marketing or the different ad companies. So you'll have to be patient with this one. And then number 5, and the last one, is photography. If you love taking photos, yes, if you're a professional photographer or you just love taking photos, we have those people, then this is your side hustle. This one, you can do it both online and offline. So offline, you can take photos, take your friends' photos in campus, then branch out and find other people that you can take photos. You can also do it online by taking just photos of anything, whether it is birds, whether it is yourself, whether it is even legs, guys. Yes, so photos of anything, and then now upload them to sites such as shutterstock.com, Getty Images, and iStock Photos. So now you'll earn a commission every time someone buys these photos from these websites. That is what happens. So now, guys, those are 5 side hustles for college students. I don't know where you are, but if these side hustles apply to you wherever you are, then you can start any of them. Please leave me a comment and let me know which one you think is better for you and why. Let me know if you loved this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I hope you have subscribed to the channel, but if you haven't, remember to subscribe by clicking the red button. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and let's meet in the next video.